What does perfect even mean?
Hey everyone, it's me, Namaisa. I'm back. Today I'm gonna do a tutorial for you that has been requested a lot on my Instagram, I believe, and Facebook, I believe 2 days ago. Now let's address the elephant in the room. That is my beautiful crown, aka my fro. Yes, my hair has grown a lot. Yeah, I've been growing up my hair since January. In January, when I went to IMATS, I buzzed off my hair like I always did. A little shorter actually than I was used to, but whatever. Yeah, that was the last time I buzzed off my hair, and since then I have not touched my hair with any clippers or scissors whatsoever. Obviously no wig today because this was part of my look, so let's get started. So of course, first I applied my Urban Decay Original Primer Potion all over my eye area. Then I'm taking the shade Side Saddle of the Sugar Pill X Trixie Mattel Oh Honey palette, and I'm applying that in my crease using windshield wiper motions to blend it out. This eyeshadow is going to help me blend out my other eyeshadows because it's giving me a clear canvas to work on. Then I'm taking the shade Purple Berry of the Colored Rain Berry Cute palette, and I'm applying that in my crease. Again, with windshield wiper motions, I'm blending that shade out and mixing it together with that previous eyeshadow. And of that same eyeshadow palette, I'm using the shade Loveberry, and I'm applying that on the outer part of my eye and crease the most. And with a pencil brush, I'm smudging that same eyeshadow out underneath my lower lash line. I'm dragging down this eyeshadow pretty far because I want to create the illusion that my eyes are much bigger than they actually are. And as you can see, I'm connecting the lower part of the eyeshadow look with the top part. Now I'm darkening up my crease a tiny bit using a matte black eyeshadow. I'm not applying this underneath my lower lash line. I'm just applying it on the outer part of my crease and on the outer part of my lid. Now with a very light concealer, I'm going to cut the crease, or actually the inner part of the crease. The rest of the eye I'm just gonna leave alone. And the concealer I'm using is by MAC. It's the Pro Longwear Concealer. Now I'm gonna take this Mineral Loose eyeshadow by Mineralissima. It's called Illusion. I'm going to apply that on the half cut crease. So on my lid and a little bit in my crease, the areas where I have not applied any eyeshadow yet. And yes, I did wet my brush with a little bit of water to make the eyeshadow more intense. And with the NYX Epic Ink Liner pen, I'm going to apply a eyeliner. I'm just going to follow the shape of my lower lash line. I'm not going to create a winged liner this time. And to finish up the eye, I'm taking 2 pairs of Ardell's Glamour 113 lashes, and I'm applying those off of camera. Now I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 420, and I'm applying that all over my face. I'm using a brush because I love how it looks. My skin has been doing so well lately that I don't need to apply as much foundation as I did back in the day. And then I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium, and with a very thin precision brush by Delium Tools, I'm going to clean up the shape of the lower part of the eye makeup look. For this particular look, I wanted to have like a really sharp line on the lower part of the makeup to give the illusion that my eyes are much bigger than they actually are. So I'm kind of proportionizing my face. And at the same time, of course, I am also highlighting my face. And so with a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend out the rest of the concealer. You don't have to do this because this is a very highlighted look. I do realize that. Just do whatever you think looks better on you. I'm just going for a very highlighted look. Then next I'm going to set my face using the Catrice Banana Setting Powder. I'm applying that underneath my eyes first and on my nose bridge because I want to bake that area. After that, I'm applying it on my chin, and with a large powder brush, I'm going to set the rest of my face loosely. I will let that set for about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to wipe it off using a large powder brush. To contour my face, I'm going to use the NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt Deep Trio. Now I'm going to sound like a broken record, but always contour and highlight suited to your face shape. and to your liking. Don't just mimic me. For this look, I like a very strong contour. I love this shade. It's a perfect mix for contouring and bronzing at the same time, if you get what I mean. Now, I couldn't find the original blush that I used for the look, so as a substitute, I decided to use the MAC Pro Longwear blush in the shade Stubborn. And I'm just going to apply that pretty heavily on the apples of my cheeks. Then to line and fill in my lips, I'm actually using the Kat Von D Puro Amore Autograph Pencil. So I'm gonna line out the shape of my lips, and then I'm gonna fill them in with the same pencil. And over top, I'm going to apply the Colored Rain Cherry Blossom Matte Liquid Lipstick. And that was it for the entire tutorial. And there we go. This is the finished look. I had to improvise with the blush because for some reason I could not find the original blush. I probably just put it down somewhere. I have no idea where. That sounded British, kind of. I have no idea where. In case you didn't know, Robin and I got our own apartment. We're still working on it. There's a lot that needs to be done. Once Robin and I are officially moved in, I will have a new makeup room, like an actual makeup room, and I'll have a lot more space and a lot more, like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I can do more with makeup, especially FX-wise, but anyway, that's for another video. I just wanted to update you a little bit in case you don't follow me on social media, which you should because I post on there regularly. It's just MakeupByNamaisa on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat. Just so you know, in case you want to know where I got this dress from, it's from ASOS, the Curve line, and it has huge, like huge sleeves, as you can see, and the earrings are by Claire's. Thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in